YouTube, welcome to Me, and today this is our old washing machine. So you guys saw our new washing machine and dryer. The tumble dryer is actually gone. Someone took it away because it was just broken, but I decided to actually show you our old washing machine. So this is a Hotpoint aqualtis. It's not sure if you can see that or not, AQ113D, but it's actually AQ113DA, but yeah, that's the model number. So I'm going to take you through all it is and all the options and all that for it. So it starts with the detergent drawer. So this is the softener, pre-wash and main wash, as you guys can see. I'm actually going to quickly just turn the lights so you can easily see a bit better. So there we go, that's better. So you've got the softener, pre-wash and main wash. And that's if you want to lose liquid, you just pop it into that bit there. It's an 11 kilogram drum. There you go, lovely 11 kilogram drum, absolutely massive. So I'm just going to quickly show you the turn it on and show you the let's restart it. Right, so we've got cottons 40 colours, which you can, so these are all the options. If you want to know what M2 and M3 are, there's options you selected. So to change one, to make whatever option you want and put it to it, you just hold it and it will say memorising, and then it will beep, and then it will tell you it's memorised to that specific one. Oh god, so I must restart it. Right, so these are the options. We've got Eco, when you do that light comes on, Time Saver, Easy Iron, and Steam Hygiene, which adds steam refresh onto the cycle. For the, actually we got here, so for the temperature we've got, hang on, let me go to, so we've got off, got 90, 60, 50, 40, 30, off. Let me put it back to there. I hate when it does this. So we've got 60 whites and cotton whites 90. I don't know why that doesn't change, it's pretty weird, but oh yeah, I forgot, we also got spin speed 1600, 1200, 800, 600, 100 and off. Let's start again. So now we can proceed. So we got mixed 30, it's like a 30-minute quick wash. You can also do the 15-minute. Wool Platinum Care takes 1 hour 40 minutes. Ultra Delicate takes 1 hour and 18 minutes. Anti-allergy, I'm not going to bother saying that, actually it's hard to easily say it. Spin, rinsed spin, which is just rinse. Bed and bath, duvets, steam refresh, we've never used that cycle. Darks, colours, whites, synthetics, and back to cotton. So this is just the delay time. We can go up, I think it's 24 hours. You have a look. I think it is 24 hours. Yeah, it is. There you go. So we got the start pause button, and we got child lock if you hold for 3 seconds. And it will allow you it will just bleep if you do anything. Even the power button's even locked down as well. So now let's take this little plate off and show you the filter. So just real quick. Oh no. make sure. There we go, I didn't ruin it. So, here is the filter. This is actually a new pump that put on about, I think, like a few months ago, before, I think it was in October, they put a new pump in because the other one was a white pump. This is a black pump. The guy said that the black one's better than the white one, but because I see a lot of Hotpoints do use this pump now instead of the old pump, which had a different this as well. But yeah, this is the Hotpoint aqualtis AQ113D. I hope you enjoyed this video and look at my old machine. I'm going to do a review of my new machine when I get the time, but here you guys go. I think, yeah, this video will be uploaded first, and I will show you my new machine that we got. We got it, I think we got it about like a few weeks ago now, and I'm going to do a review on it soon, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!